Hi guys, good evening. I know I promised to make a video on the accessories that are fitted on my bike. I've got everything set up. It's just that the last 10 days I've been very sick. First I was out with some body pains and then cold, fever, now throat infection. I don't know, I'm struggling actually to speak to you. But anyways, I'm getting better. In fact, I am all set to leave for a trip this coming Saturday. It's gonna be one of the most challenging trips in the sense that with this health, I can get easily sick with this throat again on a bike. But then, if you're as mad as I am into motorcycling, then these are things that you would ignore. My mom hates me for that. Everyone else does too. So, but you gotta do what you love, right? And for me, riding is my passion. I couldn't go out. In fact, I had to just take rest on this bed for almost 7 days out of those 10. And it was super boring. All I did was just eat, sleep. That random for a long time. And man, and that was quite hard. But anyways, getting better. Been on medication, antibiotics, very drowsy. On top of that, there's a lot of housework going on because there is a big function coming up next month. So got new paints done, new windows fitted, and also some basic carpentry and civil work. So a lot of cement, paint, sawdust, everything added up. Anyways, today I got a decent surprise. Thanks to all the people watching who are my existing subscribers for a long time, and all the new ones who haven't subscribed but started watching this from this video. I request you to please subscribe and like, because I would get more surprises like this. Look what's here. Dun, dun, ta-da, 30k. I've been shying away from using Bluetooth communicators for a long time, mostly because I kept on changing my helmets, not voluntarily. I first got an MT Blade, lovely helmet. It's still with me, but it's kind of loose now. So I can't use it for highway riding. I got a Mauritian helmet, good helmet, but then it started developing whistling noise, which can be very irritating. So had to literally shelf it. And then I got an MT Cray from Bikeopedia, lovely store, and also lovely helmet, by the way. I use it for my long distance touring. Been using that for almost last 6 months, working brilliantly. And for city riding, I use a half-face helmet. I don't need that, but then it was just a lovely helmet. I'll show it at a later point of time, because if you can see, that's kind of a big mess. That's my riding gear for the upcoming trip. And yeah, I jumped into buying the Sena because there are like 6 to 7 Sena devices in our group, and I will be the only one who doesn't have that device. And also there are some positives and also some negatives, which I'll cover in a detailed review at a later point of time. For now, I would just do a simple unboxing. And big shout out to all the Sena guys here, especially Sai Kesneni and also Ryan Harris, who helped me get some great marketing discount, where I approached them and then requested to see if I can get some promotional discounts to showcase the product on my channel. I also do blogging on sites like Team BHP. In fact, my Bentley 300 review got almost 115,000 views. That's a big thing for me, guys. So they were very generous. In fact, they offered me shocking discount, and I really appreciate that. but the review would be very neutral. Even if they have given me the device for marketing purpose and I paid the price for it, um, it's going to be a neutral review. And because that's my device to keep, it's just that I paid very less for that. It's not a sponsored video, it's not a sponsored product. And at this stage of my channel, I think that's a big deal, getting that much of a discount. So sometimes you just have to approach and knock all the doors and see which opens up, right? And anyways, let's go jump ahead into the unboxing now. When your house is in a mess and you can't find a knife, this is the best thing to do. I'm having no energy to even open a box. I don't know how I'm gonna do the ride. Let's see. Lovely red color packaging, guys. Premium stuff. Feels premium. So these are the dual packs. The two sets, the mics and the speakers. Let me put this box aside. Let's see what's here. A bunch of manuals, two sets of adhesives, speaker cuffs, 3M tapes. Same case here. Charging cables, wireless mobile chargers. I don't know how I could use this. Maybe get an adapter for the bike. That's it, guys. Anyways, I decided to just check out what it is. So I opened up my helmet shell. And the good thing with empty Cray helmet is they have these nice grooves inside, cutouts for the earphones, speakers for the Sena, not earphones. The mic would go probably here, so I have to see how that would fit and work out. So I have to go through this manual, decent bit, and then probably fit it into this helmet. So I've just so I'll wash this helmet quickly tomorrow and get it going. So if you're wondering what Sena 30K is all about compared to 20s, quick feature update is now it comes with mesh intercom, which was previously available only with the Scala Packtalk, and that allows you to connect with the group of riders who have mesh intercom facility in their Bluetooth communicator instead of pairing manually. So it automatically lets riders in and out of the intercom network without pairing manually. That is one big advantage of mesh intercom. And I think the intercom radius and other things are pretty much the standard. Hence, the price difference is only 2,000 to 3,000 rupees over the existing 20s. That's the basic update to 30K. And still, this is not completely waterproof. This is only water resistant. So we have to be careful while riding in the rain. That's it, guys. That's all about the Sena 30K for now. I will see you later in the next video update. Ciao.